Hello guys, welcome back to another video for Baritoni's Projects. So my PCBs just came in, got delivered today after, say, a good month of designing and it getting shipped. It's finally here. These boards that I designed are about 100 millimeters by 60 millimeters. They're quite small. See in the palm of my hand, about this big. See, I have one soldered right here. And these new boards are great. They totally work. And I'm going to make an in-depth video on how they actually work. But just a quick thing, I'll tell you how it works. Pico sends 3.3 volts at like 10 milliamps to a base of a transistor, which lets the 3.3 volts at 300 milliamps flow through the transistor, letting the ground to the Pico go through the relay, turning it on, and also lighting up this LED here, which indicates if the relay is on or off, if you can't automatically hear it already. Does that, turns the relay, lets the 9 volts go through, powers on the E-match. I have a video of that. I'll make a video of it working in action coming soon, or either on the 4th of July. And these LEDs here are continuity testers. Make sure your E-matches actually have continuity, and there's a way for them to light, and there's no breakage on them. It's also, again, super compact and small, super lightweight. Remember, there's no batteries on this at all. And I'm using a Pico W here. They're like $5 or so, and they come with this wireless chip here, which is super important for this. Now, I actually have a website, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute, up on my computer, that I designed, that I showed in the previous video, that you can use to program your show. It's all running local on a local HTTP server, just a quick Python and HTML script, sorry. But I also made a thing for your phone where this actually connects to your phone's hotspot, and you can, what is it called? Have a personal, I forgot what it's called. You can host a website on the local network between the two, and that website is used to control this remotely. Another good way of doing it is this creating a Wi-Fi signal and you connecting with Wi-Fi with your phone, and then you use that. But the cellular one was the easiest right now, but I do want to design that thing, and I'll let you update you guys in the future. Again, these are 3-volt relays. Follow me through the process. For the 4th of July, me and my uncle also bought this. This is a professional one. There's 3 of these here, so up to 12 Qs. And the difference between these two, aside from the case and everything, is that these have these audio speaker terminals right here, which are quite useful. But here I have these 5mm screw-in terminals, which are very good, but I eventually do want to go to these or some other ones for it. But this will work for this 4th of July since I don't have enough time to get them like tested and manufactured. But I just want to see the size comparison. So this can do 4, and this can do 6, and it's nearly the same size. I'll see if I can show you guys here. It's nearly the exact same size. Now, if I actually made these surface mount components, or SMDs, and I actually built the Raspberry Pi into the circuit board, then this would probably be a lot smaller. And I made these things into this would be a lot smaller. But I can't, or I don't have the budget, and I can't really design that right now. Also, I do want to add a little antenna for this thing to increase its range, just like this right here. And you see this one has a remote, just like this, for doing these. This one, you do it all on your phone, so there's no need to spend extra money on a remote, which is great. I'm also going to show you the website now. Just put this over here and plug this into my computer. I showcase this in another video, but I just wanted to show you how it worked. I wanted you to hear the relays and see it in action. So I'm going to run. So here I am CD'd into my directory here. So I went to downloads, I went to my code, I went to my Python, my Fire and GUI. You can actually see that in my files here. Show you. So see downloads, code, Python, Fire and GUI. I'm going to execute the server.py using Python 3. The Python 3 command, sorry, it's kind of obvious. So go with that. Gives me a IP right here. I click open link, Firefox, and this is running locally HTTP server on your computer. You don't even have to be connected to Wi-Fi for this. So then you have to connect your Pico, and it has to be running on /dev/tty/AO0 or something. That's what this website is using to flash the actual script to the Pico. Sorry, let me put the phone down or try and get this in there. There we go. See, it's already running a pre-made script I made for it. But if we actually went here, oh, just scraped myself on this. Went here. Sorry, don't mind the noise. That's it's working right now. I'll wait for it. There we go. Okay, so if you can program your sequence, so let's say I want pin 5 to go first, and I want 0.5 seconds before the next one goes off. Like, you can plan mortars in this and everything. It's great. Move this out here. I'm just going to make a really simple script that... Oh, sorry, the other firing system was in the way. This thing right here is in the way. I'm just going to make it so every 1 second a new thing goes, obviously, beside from that. It's just a super simple GUI for it. You can interact, and it actually interacts it by opening up like a thing with the Pico over the USB. And that's why you need that certain port, because it actually communicates over that port. So you need that to communicate with. 4 pi. You click upload to Pico 2 times. Just say success. Pico will run new program on reset. So it's basically flashed this onto here, but as a main.py format. Oh, and this LED right here shows that there's like power going through the Pico. Just really cool. But it actually flashes the Pico with the script you programmed onto this thing. And actually, to prove that it's flashed, I'll actually unplug it from the computer and plug it into a external battery I have here. I don't know how old this thing is, but I've had it for ages. Let's plug this thing in. So you can see, as soon as I click this button, it should start. Like, ready? See, that's the 5, and it goes back to that, then there, then just go to GPIO pin 2, and 3, then 4, and then 0, right that, just like that. So it looks super good, it works great. Yeah, I'll make more videos of these. I'll show you my one you can actually like remotely talk to it over your phone. I'll show that. That'll be fun. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you learned something. I'll make a full video how it works. Oh, you can see this turned off. So the power LED went off. So if I turn it back on, like that. Anyway, I'll make a video coming soon about this. Thanks for watching, guys.